Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's makeup look is inspired by Harry Potter. If you would like to see how I created this makeup tutorial, then please keep watching. So I start this look off by already having my base done, and I really put a lot of blusher on for this look because I wanted to look cute and preppy, and I used the MAC Dainty blusher to do this. And then I went in with a primer concealer and primed my eyelids. I took the test online and found out I was in Gryffindor, so I did the eye look to resemble the Gryffindor colours. I used the Bright Addiction palette by Ofra and used the shade Fire Orange, which actually is more like a red to me anyway. I placed that in the crease and then I went in with the shade Bright Yellow and went over that. On the outer corners I wanted to use a darker red, so I went into the James Charles Morphe palette and used the shade You're Kidding and applied this to the outer corners. Then picking up that Primark concealer that I used earlier, I start to create a little bit of a cut crease. I did not carry this cut crease all the way out to the outer corner. I kind of just left it in the middle and then got a little beauty sponge and started to blend it in to the red on the outer corner. While that concealer was still wet, I went into the Inkblot AMC Pure Pigment eyeshadow in 81 and placed that over it. For my eyeliner, I used the Ofra Fix Line eyeliner gel in the shade Yellow Submarine. For my brows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Medium Brown. For my bottom lash line, I went back into that yellow eyeshadow that we used earlier and I really blend this out along my bottom lash line. I really smoked it out because I wanted my eyes to look really big. I also kind of mimicked the eyeshadow that we've already put down, so I got the red eyeshadows that we used earlier again and started to place this closer to my lash line. I coated my eyelashes with some mascara and then applied the Tinker Beauty lashes in the style Beth. To create the magical lightning type strikes around my face, I don't know how else to describe them, but I used the Fenty Beauty Vivid Eyeliner in the shade Wet T-shirt and started to place it around half of my face. As I am going to be using my wand, you've seen it in the intro, but I'm going to be using my wand to look like I'm tapping my cheek and that magic is going over my face. I painted some little electricity lines as well as some little stars coming off them as well. I wanted them to look like little twinkling sparks coming off of the electricity. I also created a bit on my cheek as well where the wand is going to be touching. For my lips I used the Colourpop Zoella liquid lipstick in the shade Self Love Club, and then I went over that and drawed some sparkles so everything just joined up nicely. So this is the finished look. I've paired it with a shirt, of course, and fun little fact, this tie is actually my secondary school tie, or if you're from another country, my high school tie. We had a different tie depending on what house we were in, basically like Harry Potter, but my school wasn't as cool as Harry Potter. And I was in the red house, it was called BT, so it's got yellow and red stripes on it, and I thought literally looks like the Gryffindor tie, so came in useful. And then I just have this, it's just a witch's cloak from just my Halloween dress up box, so I've just thrown that over me, and I have this wand. Now forgive me, I really know nothing about certain characters' wands and things like that, but this is actually my cousin's. I got it for him in Universal years ago now, and so if you know whose wand this is, please let me know if this is someone's wand, because I do know in Universal they sell wands that aren't a specific characters, they're just kind of cool wands. So if you know anything about this wand, let me know in the comments down below. I think I do have the box somewhere, but I just don't think it says a name on it, so I don't know. But I borrowed his wand for this tutorial as well, just to add to the whole Harry Potter thing, and I really love it. This makeup look is inspired by Kaylee MUA on Instagram. I've been following her for ever, and you probably already know her, but I just never know how to pronounce her name, and I feel like I'm not the only one. So let me know what you think of this makeup tutorial in the comments, and if you do like it, make sure you press that like button because it really helps me and my channel out. And if you would like to see more creative makeup looks like this one, hit that subscribe button because that's what I love to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.